Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to get some user input using the Raku programming language, also known as Perl 6. So I'm going to create a subroutine called enter name. So that's the subroutine, and I'm going to get some user input. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, make it look a bit nicer. So I'm going to create a variable, and this variable is called simply name. Okay, that's going to be equal to prompt. And then we're going to ask the user to enter name. So the user is going to enter the name there, and then we're going to print out a message to the user. I'm not going to use print, I'm going to use say here. I'm not in Perl. Okay, say hello and scalar name. Right, now all we have to do is call the program by enter name. Let's save it, and I'm using the Kate text editor, which is good, but if you go into the terminal here, I could have run it from the terminal in the Kate editor, but it's way too small. I've tried to adjust the font in here, and I can do it up here, but I can't do it in the terminal, so I've given up on it. So what I've done is I've opened up my DOS prompt in Windows, and I created a folder called Raku in my documents. And I've changed the directory there to documents Raku, so now I'm in the Raku folder here. So to run this, you simply type Raku and then the name of the program. So my program is called new.raku. It has the Raku ending, and hit enter. Okay, enter a name. I'm going to put Dave. There we go, and voila! Hello Dave. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you've not done so already, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.